3, 2, 1, back again. Now I do apologise I haven't posted any videos up in a while. It's because my computer decided to go tits up on me. So I had to do a quick reinstall and make sure it's working fine. I've got all of my videos that are still ready and prepared, are still there luckily. So anyway, what we've got for you today, I'm going to be doing a few videos today because I've got a few unboxings to do. And first off, I thought we'd talk about this. I got this in the post. Now I've already got the model kit for this, which before I started doing videos, I've already built it, but I'm going to be doing the work in progress of it anyway. And this is the mechanical part customization set for it, all the metal parts and everything. And basically you get new thrusters, all sorts of different bits and pieces to customize it and make it look good. The picture on here hasn't even got any of those customization bits on, but that doesn't matter. So I thought I'd give you unboxing of this. Now when I bought this off of AliExpress, my usual go-to place for buying things Gundam related, and the seller actually said it was JO parts, which is, I believe, is actually quite a good make. But as you can see down here, it is SNDME, professional modelling tools. I wasn't too worried about that after I checked the parts, because everything in there is all there and it's all fine. So let's unbox it and have a little look, see what we get. Obviously we get a box, and we get an instruction sheet in Chinese, which can't really understand, but luckily for me, the seller put the instructions in English on his description, which I've able to copy and put in a notepad. And I'm going to put a screenshot of it at the end of this video if anyone wants to view the picture, and where all the parts are going to go, right in there. It also comes with an LED unit as well, but I've already purchased an LED unit for this guy ages ago. So that's what you get instruction wise. Not very good because it's very difficult to understand. Comes wrapped in here. And here are all the parts. Let's move these out of the way. Now then, all comes in a little baggie like this, nice and safely sealed. Let's see what we have. Okay, first off, LED unit is here. No battery in it, I've just switched it on. But there's no battery in there, but it's not a problem. As I say, I've already got an LED unit anyway. 1 to 5. These looks like. Let's see if I can get in nice and close. Yeah, it looks like screws type things for arms and legs and bits and pieces. The instructions tell you where they're gonna go and what drill sizes to use. Now these, I know some of these will be going on to what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah. These 9 and 10, I believe, go together. And these are the, obviously you can see they're the thrusters. And it just looks really, really cool. I'm not going to paint these, by the way. I may paint these like a metallic blue. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm going to see what it looks like, just to give a bit of colour variation when attached to things like this. This part obviously goes inside the model, the thinnest part here. If we can get it up close and personal, close enough. This thinnest part, that's the part you drill into so it fits into a model, and the thicker part will go through the hole or stick out here. So yeah, these are going to look really, really good. Then you got let's see, this is going to be more difficult to see. More tiny screw type detail parts. Got a few in there. These, let's get right up and close and personal with this, because, come on, is it going to do it? No, it's close enough. These are the Vulcans, the Vulcan cannons. There's 2 of them. Well, there's 4 parts, but you can see they're really, really tiny. And here's the bigger. I think it's for the backpack. I think, I'm not 100% sure. Could be for the legs, but let's open one of these up so we can take a closer look at one of them and see what they're like. Let's get it off of there. And show you how it's supposed to go together. And no, it's not supposed to go over like that. So this end goes into here, like so. And then this, come on, God dear me, that does not want to come off of there. Yeah, so slippery. Yeah. There we go. Right, the end of the hole is the end that sticks out. So this will fit in there like that. To be honest, I think it looks pretty freaking awesome. See if we can get in a bit closer here. Come on, zoom in. You know you want to zoom. Yes, you do. Come on. There we go. And so it's going to look like that. And then obviously this part here is what's going to be glued in. I'm not too sure what I'm going to use for gluing it in just yet, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I've seen a guy called Stuart Lathe. He's another guy, modeler on YouTube, and he uses this crystal clear stuff. It's like a PVA, but it goes crystal clear. And again, we have some more detail parts. Let's see if we can get that to zoom in a bit. And some more little, looks like little screwy type parts there. Is that going to zoom? Yeah, just about. But yeah, some more little screwy type parts. Again, more detail parts. Let's see if we can, is it zoom in? There we go. And last but not least, 50 mini ball bearings. Again, just for adding detail. So when I start doing this, the V Gundam, it's not the V Gundam, new Gundam. I'll be showing you how to put all these, get it all prepped ready, because you don't want to put these in and glue these in before you paint it, because the whole idea is to have these there. I'm waiting on the Sazabi as well, because I've got Sazabi there sitting there ready and waiting to be done, but I didn't want to do anything with the Sazabi yet, just because the Sazabi, I have to paint the parts before I can build it, because some of the parts I just won't be able to get off to build. So that's going to be done slightly different. But as I say, I'm going to be doing work in progress videos on this guy. I'm not going to do a full start to finish. But yeah, so that's the unboxing of the metal detail parts for the RX-93V Gundam. Or Hainu Gundam. Is it Hainu? No, it's not Hainu. Hainu's that. Hainu. I don't know if you can see it too clearly in there. Hainu is that little. That one just there. which I'm going to be getting some mechanical parts for as well, and again do a work in progress, not full start to finish on that. Right, so that's that one done. Now we're going to continue with the rest of the unboxing. These things.